if the coordinates of the midpoint of the sides of a triangle are 1, 1, 2, -3 and 3, 4, find its centroid, meaning find the coordinates of the centroid. So see here, let P 1, 1, Q 2, -3 and R 3, 4 be the midpoints of the sides AB, BC and CA respectively of triangle ABC. Now we do not know the coordinates of the vertices A, B and C. So let's call them x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So see all this information incorporated in a figure here. So you can see the triangle ABC. A x1, y1, B x2, y2, C x3, y3. P, Q and R are the midpoints of the sides AB, BC and AC respectively. Now P is the midpoint of AB. The x-coordinate of P is 1. How do we find the x-coordinate of P using the midpoint formula? The sum of the x-coordinates of A and B by 2. See here, x1 plus x2 by 2 will give us the x-coordinate of P. Similarly, the sum of the y-coordinates of A and B by 2 will give us the y-coordinate of P. Which means x1 plus x2 by 2 equals 1, y1 plus y2 by 2 equals 1. That's what you can see here. That's what you can see here. P is the midpoint of AB and we have these results using the midpoint formula. And on cross multiplying we get x1 plus x2 equals 2, y1 plus y2 equals 2. Now again, Q is the midpoint of BC. Now using the midpoint formula, the sum of the x-coordinates of B and C by 2 will give us the x-coordinate of Q. x2 plus x3 by 2 is equal to 2. The sum of the y-coordinates of B and C by 2 will give us the y-coordinate of Q. Which means y2 plus y3 by 2 equals -3. On cross multiplying, we have x2 plus x3 equals 4 and y2 plus y3 equals -6. Again, R is the midpoint of AC. So using the midpoint formula, we have x1 plus x3 by 2 equals 3. y1 plus y3 by 2 equals 4. On cross multiplying, we have x1 plus x3 equals 6, y1 plus y3 equals 8. Now we have three equations in x. See here, we have x1 plus x2 equals 2. We have x2 plus x3 equals 4. x1 plus x3 equals 6. Add all these three equations and that will give us this equation. How do we simplify this? We have 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 equals 12. So on taking 2 common, we will have 2 of x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals 12. So that will give us x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals 12 by 2, which is 6. That's what you can see here. x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals 6. Now again we have three equations in y. See here, we have y1 plus y2 equals 2. And we have y2 plus y3 equals -6, y1 plus y3 equals 8. Add these three equations. That will give us this one. How do you simplify this? 2y1 plus 2y2 plus 2y3 equals, what is this? 4. On taking 2 common, we have 2 of y1 plus y2 plus y3 equals 4. So y1 plus y2 plus y3 equals 4 by 2, which is 2. Now what is the question? We need to find the coordinates of the centroid of this triangle ABC. And what's the formula to find the coordinates of the centroid? It's x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. And here we have the sum x1 plus x2 plus x3 is 6. So 6 by 3, which is 2. y1 plus y2 plus y3 is 2. This is 2. 2 by 3, which is 2 by 3. So 2 is the x coordinate of the centroid and 2 by 3 is the y coordinate of the centroid.